Hey everyone, the new year has arrived. It's January 1st. It's a little bit cold outside, but the sun is shining, so it's great to get outside, move my body, and get some vitamin D while wearing shorts. Despite drops in temperatures, I almost always wear shorts when I exercise. One, I find it invigorating, but also it's great to get some fresh air, cold air on the legs, but also some vitamin D if the sun is shining. I was just about to make a double under tutorial to teach people how to learn how to do their first double under in the new year, but my jump rope cord snapped. So I think this is a perfect opportunity to share with you one of the reasons why I love using long handle jump ropes and how I first got involved with using long handle jump ropes. So when I first started jumping rope, I used short handle jump ropes. But then one day when it came time that I needed some new jump ropes, I noticed that most of the jump ropes in the store that I used to buy my ropes from were extremely short. They were made for kids. So I could jump rope with them, but they were just not ideal. So what I did was I bought a long handled kids jump rope. And the reason long handles were fantastic in this case is because they add length to a rope. And let me show you what I mean by that. So this is the jump rope I was just using with these short handles. And as you can see, this piece, it's snapped off in the handles. So with most short handles, what happens is this. You put the rope into it, and then you have to put the caps on at the bottom of the rope. So let's say the rope will go to about there. You have to put the rope the entire way into the short handle, and it locks at the bottom, as can be seen there. But with a lot of long handles, what happens is you don't have to put the rope all the way in until the end of the handle. So instead, what we do is we can put the rope all the way through, put the cord tips on there, and then you can pull it all the way back through to here until the very end. So this rope can sit in just as far as that. So let's say we have a rope here. We lose 5 inches there. Okay, the end of the rope is right here at my fingertip. But if we use a long handle, the rope is there. So we've just gained about 8 inches on that rope. So if you do that on both ends of the rope, that's about 16 inches. So we can make a short rope a lot longer. So when my ropes snap with long handles, I can just keep extending the rope. Whereas with short handles, the rope can become very short very quickly. All right, so that is one of the reasons why I love using long handle jump ropes. And it was just kind of serendipity that made me start experimenting with long handle ropes, because as I said, the ropes that I was trying to buy were far too short, and I figured out a way to make them longer by using long handles. Instead of the rope coming all the way down to the bottom here, the jump rope can just end right around the tip of the long handle jump rope, so you gain quite a few inches on your jump ropes. Okay, now I'm going to end this video and we'll get started with the double under tutorial.